$900 a day could be yours. Think it's too good to be true? We'll show you how it's done.
$900 a day? Sounds too good to be true. What's the catch?
Believe it or not, there's no catch. It's all about tapping into the power of the Daily Pay Blueprint. With the Daily Pay Blueprint, ordinary people are turning their dreams into reality. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or someone looking for a side hustle, the Daily Pay Blueprint is the answer.
I'm so happy that I knocked fear in the face and I said yes to this amazing opportunity. So my name is Alison and I'm a special needs mom who cannot work out of the house. When I was on TikTok, I saw a live video that was talking about a 2-hour workday and learning how to make daily pay. And I said, oh my God, I need to try this. And I am so happy that I did, because I am literally not even 2.5 months in. I made $13,000 as a complete newbie. And I stink at technology. So I was so scared that I was going to need technology. I did not. So I'm just saying it has been such a dream come true. This community that we have got added into is absolute gold. Everybody wants everybody to win, and it's nothing like I've ever seen before. So I'm just so happy that I said yes to this, that I'm learning absolutely all the skills that I need. And I know when I look back at this a year from now, I'm going to be a part of that $1 million club. So it's amazing. Very, very amazing. I'm so happy I said yes.
Build a legacy for your family. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. $900 a day could be yours. Find out how with the Daily Pay system. Become a legacy builder.